At the Students' Union Annual General Meeting in November, you voted for the union to support UCU industrial action. We will be keeping you updated in the next few months to ensure you are well informed and know what is happening for Cardiff, as well as the reasons behind the disputes in higher education that are happening nationally. Between Monday 6th of December and Friday the 14th of January, members of Cardiff's branch of the University and College Union UCU will be balloted again on whether they will strike or conduct action short of a strike in this academic year. They are balloting on the grounds of pensions and the four fights, which are pay, precarity, equality and workload. Proposed changes to the USS pension scheme mean that staff are missing out on huge portions of their pensions, with several worrying about how they will survive on retirement. There has been an average 17.6% fall in salary against inflation, and the hourly rate of the UK's lowest paid lecturers is £8.70. 3,545 academic staff in the UK are on zero-hour contracts, and 68% of researching academics in the UK are on fixed-term contracts. Our PGR students here in Cardiff don't have contracts and are precariously engaged with the university with no security, sick pay and other benefits. 4 out of 5 UK higher education staff surveyed are struggling with their workloads, and 86% of those surveyed have been signposted towards support for their mental health owing to their workload. Sector-wide, there is a 15.1% pay gap between men and women, there's a 17% pay gap between black and white staff, and a 9% disability pay gap. Staff have already undertaken 3 days of strike action at 58 institutions on one or both of these grounds. This reballot period will decide whether Cardiff joins them in 2022. The Students' Union stands in solidarity with university staff and PGRs during this time, and will be in regular contact with UCU to ensure we are doing what we can to support our postgraduate researchers and their colleagues throughout this process. If you are a postgraduate research student who teaches, you can join UCU for free. If you join before the 4th of January, you will automatically be included in the ballot. For all of our PGR tutors and demonstrators who are already members, remember to keep an eye out for your ballot and return it. The last safe postal day is the 12th of January. One of us, all of us.